Thi azisha ke abathi amjito yaku final umbona uhappy ukuthi uzoyiwina I don't know but yena uzositshela because ngimbonile nase ground une confidence ngisakutshela ukuthi mina ngimane ezinja kuphela mfethu ngeke ungibone ngimene enkomo la but azi ithi ngenzekayo umjito uzosintroduce la so Grootman lami ngibonile udlala mana ngithanda indlela odlala ngayo umnandi yani penalty uyalishaya yabo so yeah ngizocela uzintroduce kuma viewers wethu ngegama lamampela isibongo and utshela ama viewers wethu udlalela yipi club and uhlala kweliphi kasi.
Sanibonani njani igama lami uAndile wakashabalala ngidlalela iLentozi Cheeky Boys ku SAB eCDB angazi ngathini for le game yanamhlanje I think sibe ne game emnandi amajita besizimisele iconfidence bephezulu so whatever besiyenza besizimisele kakhulu I think here indlela esiwinisile till the end
sure yeah, so ushilo ukuthi uhlaweli because
ngihlale eGathanda ngaphume eGathanda awuthama yeah khona lana 1441
so Grootman lami ezukena idisk linomlando khona la kuzomela ucale khona yabo so iGrootman kuze lidlale ladlala khona manje udlalele mapha ama club until manje and yini into eyenza ukuthi udlala ibhola and ubani iplayer okhule ubukela phansi kwalo.
Umlando webhola mangawucoca mkhulu kakhulu nje yami yabo but yonke into khona la icala khona yaziqala emakasi sidlala istina sabuya ngadlalela team bathi Real Hearts and ngicabanga ukuthi ngimolde kakhulu
sure
ama team engadlalela maningi kakhulu ngaya kuLentozi ngisawu Real Hearts ngeza la ku African All Stars from African All Stars ngaya ku Alex ngaya ku JTR ngabuyela kulayini ku Pirates le TDC from ku TDC ngabuyela kulayini ku JTR I think yeah JTR ngicine lapho then ngabuye nje basengibuyele ngidlala la ku Castle ku Cheeky Boys
so into ekumotivate ukuthi udlale ibhola yini and ubani iplayer like okhule ubukela phansi kwalo.
Into engeze ukuthi ngidlala ibhola I think as masikhula bengekho into esingayenza ekasi like usikhula ibhola into esiyibona kakhulu yabo hayi gcine edlala istina yonke into lapho siyabona ukuthi hayi uthando lebhola laqala lapho kahle yabo thili nje ngoba sengilana umuntu ongikhuthaza kakhulu bengithanda uLentoza uRonaldo uArline number 9 vele straight waseBrazil hayi umuntu engibukela kakhulu kuye kahle uyengimotivate njalo style of play sakhe I think siyafana nesami yabo yeah
awuzile ke uthi ufana noR9 if akazi wambukela ubukela uR9 mabona uR9 ubona yena uDoc so Grootman lami as you can you know sometimes mawudlala ibhola khona umuntu ozothanda indlela odlala ngayo khona ozoyicriticize so wena as a player how do you prepare yourself for ama games and how do you handle the pressure?
Grootman I think yabona lento le sometimes wonke ama game ahlala ne pressure yabo but ekugcineni as umuntu kumele uzimotivate wena uqala because ama critics azohlala khona because ibhola sometimes udlala grand sometimes udlala bad but lento le ukuba bad achaza ukuthi it's the end of i-career yakho into ezikanjalo yabo so lento le kumele ikukhuthaza abantu mabakhuluma kabi doesn't mean bagceka sometimes kumele uthole kuleyo ma critics khona izinto ezipositive ngabo yabo so izinto ezingikhuthaza umuntu makaloku agceka nami ngifuna ukuyenza sure ukuthi wangigceka thili lento le ngiyenzayo mina ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyenzelana ngiyayithanda lento le so into engithandayo angeke ngivumele umuntu angisele phansi yabo ngoba ibhola sometimes bane game egrand sasa bad but akupheleli lapho ibhola you as good as the game oyidlalayo into zayizola sisebenzi focus entweni eyamanje ayizola next sure
so Grootman let's say kufika intona encane idlala similar position oyidlala Grootman ngithanda indlela odlala ngayo nedlala le position oyidlalayo so ngicela ungama advise man ngayimaintain kanjani le position intona ungayitshela uthini?
Grootman I think it's all about mina I believe ku hard work yabo shuthi mawuspana Grootman into encane ngayitshela ukuthi ihlala isipane whatever yenza aziningi izinto ezokuphazamisa ukuthi ungayi gym ibaluleke kakhulu so because mawujima uhlala usejimini kuba easy mawuse gaming because iconfidence icala egymini ayifike egaming so mawune energy uba ne confidence so mawungajimi nalento oyenzayo igcine ngasabonakala but mawuhlala ujima ngayitshela le ntwana ukuthi ihlale isetraining ingapheli moya nje isipane hard whatever ucoach mayimtshela ukuthi egijima angapheli moya mela gijima because lento le izobenefita yena kusasa eband yabo.
So Grootman, as someone ofamila ngedisc kudala udlala ngokubona kwakho iyiphi position enzima kunawo wonke egroundini and why?
I think mina ngasho ukuthi number 6 abantu abadlala i-anchor because lapha you between ama defender and then attack, so whatever oyenzayo kumele uskene udlala ubhekele emuva kakhulu, kumele ukwazi ukuthi kuhlale le position ihlala crowded yabo. So I think iyi position enzima kakhulu engibonayo mina tanga because lapha ayahlala kune pressure yabo, so abantu abadlala leya position sometimes ngiyabahlonipha because babhekana ne pressure enkulu, sometimes uluza ibhola lapha ku-easy ukuthi bascore, so and futhi mawulibamba futhi ku-easy ukuthi nathi sidlale yabo. So I think iyi position enzima kakhulu.
So as ukena Grootman, you can't just play football ngeke club oyisupportayo pro side, it's either eMzansi or abroad. So Grootman lami la ekhaya elfavor yiphi club and phesheya elfavor yiphi club?
Nah, mina like ngifavor iPirates because style of play sabo ngithanda ukuthi baya attack most of the time, badlala attack football abanandaba kakhulu ngokudefend. I-defending yabo sifana nokuthi attack ngade ngaphesheya ngasho ukuthi Real Madrid because I think style of play sabo siyafana attack shoot noma ungabakora nabo bazitshela ukuthi sizokora yabo. Sure bana.
So Grootman, as ukena khona ama South African best midfielder lawa highly rated ne ku prime yayo maka best. So between uThulani Serero, uTeko Modise no Themba Zwane ba rank like step by step, number 1, number 2, number 3, ubani injara ubani number 2 ubani ogcinayo?
Shayi Grootman, leyo umbuzo wakho unzima kakhulu because labo bantu I think bonke ba good and ngendlela ehlukile zabo, so ukungathi ngabeka bani number 1 angeke ngikhona because ital zabo azifani yabo, so abona aba player grand wonke. Sure Grootman.
So as since Grootman lingababekanga wena mbukeli sozongirenkela bona ke ukuthi ba number 1 ba number 2 ba number 3 ngizokuphendula kuma comment ungitshela ukuthi why, but ayiphelele lapho. So Grootman, any advice or word of the day ongayinika intwana encane edlala ibhola or umuntu nje ozihlalele ekhasi?
I-advice engayitshela umuntu wasekhasi ukuthi believe kuwe because uma ungabelieve kuwe ayikho into engayenzeka Grootman because yonke into icala ngawe, so you have to trust yourself kuyo yonke into oyenzayo. Whatever oyenzayo nje zithembe noma kanjani because ekugcineni uNkulunkulu wakho mfethu, akekho omunye ozokusiza umuntu, kumele usisize wena. Sure.
Brother ngiyabonga isikhathi sakho ngifisela kuhle ku final. Akufuna uzoyiwina.
Na kanjani sizoyiwina Grootman.
Thank you Grootman. Macha. Konga nje.